Hey y'all, redneck gals. Anyway, I'm down here in Seaside, Oregon, which is over by Astoria, Oregon. This is the beach today. A little more cloudy today. The tide's rolling in right now. You see the water coming up to me. So, sorry, I had my hand in the camera there. But anyway, there's a guy out there, way out there, fishing. This is what Seaside Beach looks like. I'm going to spin you around. There's a hill out there, a bunch of condos and apartments, I guess. So, pretty nice. I've been coming down to this particular beach since I was a younger guy, since I was a kid. One of my favorite kind of beaches. Alright, so anyway, I'll spin you around here. This beach goes and goes and goes and goes. Yeah. Sorry if the wind is hitting my cell phone. I don't have a Canon camera yet, or a special camera. One of the things I'm gonna buy probably pretty soon. Yeah, the waves are breaking in right there. Alright, well, I'm going to sign off, a little short video. Peace out, y'all.